Are you trying to delete an Angular application but not sure how to go about it? You're not alone. Many developers face this question, and today we're going to clear up the confusion. I totally get it. You create a new application using the command ng-new, and then you realize you no longer need it. It's a common scenario, and it can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the process. So here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, can I delete my Angular application using the command line interface, or should I just delete the folder directly? This is a great question, and it's important to understand the best approach. To understand this better, let's break down the options. Deleting an application isn't just about removing files. It's about ensuring that everything is cleaned up properly to avoid any leftover configurations or dependencies. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to manage your Angular projects more efficiently. To delete an Angular application, the user can simply remove the application's folder from their file system. This is the most straightforward method. The user should ensure that they are not currently running the application. If the application is running, they need to stop it before proceeding. Next, the user can delete the folder directly. They can do this by right-clicking on the folder and selecting Delete, or by using the command line. Alternatively, the user can also use the Angular CLI to remove the application. However, this method is less common since the CLI does not have a direct command for deleting applications. In summary, the user can delete the Angular application by removing its folder directly from the file system. This is the simplest and most effective method. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Angular was released in 2010? It has come a long way since then, evolving into the powerful framework we use today. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user points out that there is no command line interface option to delete an Angular application. Instead, they suggest manually deleting the application's folder. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative approach to deleting an application in Angular 2 involves two simple steps. First, if you have any running processes like npm start or ng-serve, make sure to stop them. Then you can delete the application folder directly. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. An alternative approach to deleting an Angular 2 application involves stopping the server first. You can do this by pressing Ctrl and C together. After that, simply delete the application folder manually. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative approach to deleting an Angular 2 application involves using the command line. You can manually delete the application folder or use the rmdir command. Remember to include the S option with rmdir to delete the project folder and its contents recursively. Here's that quick tip I promised. Regularly review your Angular projects and remove any that you no longer need. This keeps your workspace organized and efficient. And that's it. You now know how to delete an Angular application. Remember, keeping your projects tidy is key to a smooth development experience. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.